Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for jewelry industry. So here let's assume that I have a jewelry store, and as this is the festive season, so I'm promoting my jewelry store with the help of Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for jewelry industry. So as this is a festive season, here I am promoting my jewelry business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now every time a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then I wish to add the lead details in my Google Sheets. Now to do this, I will have to integrate both of these applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So here as an existing user, I will sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I am going to sign in. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I'm going to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for jewelry industry. So moving to my trigger window, as I'm promoting my jewelry store with the help of Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application, and here it is. Now moving to the trigger event, that will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a new lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So here as I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheets, so moving to my action window, I'm going to select the action application as Google Sheets, and here it is. And the action event will be to add new row. So in this new row, the details of the Facebook lead will be added. So I'm selecting it as add new row. So here as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event along with my action application and the action event. So now moving ahead, firstly I have to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. So to add a new connection, I've already logged into my Facebook account in one of these tabs. So here I'm going to click on connect with Facebook lead ads, and the authorization is successful. So here you can see that Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to page and lead gen form. Here I need to select the page that I've created for my store, and then I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with the page. So here this is the Facebook page which I've created for my store. So the name of my page is the jewelry store. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to search for my page that is the jewelry store, and here it is. So now as I've selected my page, now I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with it. So here in Meta Business Suite, these are the two forms that I've created. So I want to use this form that is by the name of the jewelry store new leads. So this is how the form looks like, and the name of this form is the jewelry store new leads. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the form as the jewelry store new leads. So as I've selected my page and the lead gen form that is associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response, which means I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. So here in this new tab, I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. So here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And in My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under this Developer Tools, I will go to Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. So this here is the Lead Ads Testing Tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So now here firstly I need to select the page from this drop down. So I'm searching for my page and here is my page. Now I will select the lead gen form that is associated with it, that is the jewelry stored new leads, and now I'm going to click on preview form. So this here is the form that I have created. This is how it looks like. So here in this form I've added the full name, phone number and the email in the respective fields. So now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. Here it says thanks, you're all set. I will close this, and here you can see that your test lead has been sent. That means the details of this test lead which I have just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So now let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I've received a response. Here is the full name, phone number, email, created date and time, along with some other details. That means the test lead which I have just created, so the details of the test lead is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first objective of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've received the details of the test lead which I've created, now I want to add those details in my Google Sheet. So here I need to establish a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And now I will add a new connection. So to do that, I will sign in with Google. Here I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And the authorization is successful. So firstly, let me show you the Google Sheet which I have created. So here you can see that in this Google Sheet, there are 3 columns. First is of lead email, second is of lead name, and third is of the phone number. And the name of this Google Sheet is Facebook Leads New, and it consists only of one sheet. So firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the sheet. So here in select spreadsheet, I'm going to select the spreadsheet by the name of Facebook Leads New. And now in the select sheet, as there was only one sheet, so it is automatically selected over here. Moving to these details of lead email, lead name and phone number. So here I'm going to map the details into these fields. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So here as I've received the response from Facebook lead ads. So here firstly I'm going to map the email. I've mapped it. Now moving to the lead name. So here I've mapped the lead name as well. Moving to the phone number, again I'm going to map it. So this method of mapping is important, so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken over here in consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as the details are mapped, I'm going to click on save and send test request to see the response. So here I have received the response and it is a positive response. So now I will take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that the test lead which I have just created through Facebook lead ads. So that means the details of the lead which I have just created through Facebook lead ads. So the details of that lead is successfully added over here in a new row. So here is the lead email, here is the lead name and here is the phone number. So this automation and integration is a successful one. Now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the details of that lead will be added in Google Sheets. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.